Hello and welcome. I'm so excited. I have my selfie box. I had paused the subscription and before I paused it, I had gotten my July box, but between coming from Arizona to Washington for the summer, it got lost in the shuffle. So I'm going to finally unbox my July selfie box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, its content, anything about it, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. And let's get into the box. We have the card, and this is the July box, and it has everything that's in the box on the back of the card. And I really liked this box, but because I'm going to be here for a few months, I just wanted to cut down on my beauty boxes and my boxes in general, because we're really pretty active when we come up to Washington. Of course, we get up here and then we find out that the governor is going to be closing everything. So there's not going to be the fun state fairs, there's not going to be the concerts. You really can't go to downtown Seattle like we used to go to, so there is a lot of changes. So we're probably going to be not doing as much as we normally do. So let's get into the box. So the first thing that we have in the box is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Sonic Massage Facial Cleansing Brush. And I'm not going to open it. I received the PMD cleansing brush in my cause box. So I will either put this into my 4,500 giveaway, so hopefully I will get there sooner than later, or I don't put this on my Poshmark or something, but I am not going to use it. I've been getting so many cleansing brushes, but this cleansing brush is retails for $45, so it already paid for the price of the box. And it cleanses, exfoliates, tones, massages, and it's portable and waterproof, and it leaves your skin smooth, clean, and radiant. 3 adjustable pulsations for all skin types and sensitivities. So that is a really nice brush. And again, it retails for $45. Then the next thing is by Skin & Co., and it is the Whipped Cleansing Cream. And I have several items by this company, and I love them all. And we have the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, and this retails for $28. Crafted in Italy with pure black winter truffle extract, sweet almond oil, mallow leaf, and chamomile. This gel cream cleanser delivers intense hydration and nourishing moisture while deeply cleansing skin. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So that again is worth the price of the box. And then we have the Sun Styles 30, and this is the SPF Skincare Goes Beyond Just Your Face. Previously only available at the world's finest hotels, the Ritz-Carlton. This ultra luxurious sunscreen is available for the first time in any subscription box, and it retails for $18.50. So I am looking forward to using that. And On Point Liquid Eyeliner by Pure. And Pure On Point Liquid Eyeliner retails for $19. Get a bold, dramatic wing that is always on point. The fine and flexible felt tip delivers thin to thick lines with ease without smudging, creasing, or fading. This ultra matte liquid liner is enriched with Lash Rejuvenation Complex and Passion Flower Oil to prevent premature lash fallout. Let's see what this looks like. And look at that beautiful, that is a really nice case. And see if I can open it. I will definitely use this. It's a little tricky, and I will probably get it all over. But that's what it looks like. I'm a little scared to try it because I'll probably have, you know, lines all over the place. But I am willing to give it a try. Now, I did have a company that reached out to me and asked me to try their magnetic eyelashes. So I just received them not that long ago. So I am going to do a practice run in private, and then if they work out really good, I will try and do it on my channel. So no guarantees, but if it doesn't work out, I'll let you know that I tried it and it didn't work out. But I do want to try them. And the last product, oh my God, is Bella Pierre Contour and Highlight Cream Palette. And that's what the back, so it does show you how to do that, because I know we get a lot of contour palettes in our boxes, and I try to do it like kind of like, you know, all around, and yeah, not so good. Let's read up on this one. This is the Bella Pierre Contour and Highlight Cream Palette, and it retails, are you ready, for $50. This oh so creamy contour and highlight palette has a rich consistency that adapts to all skin tones. 6 shades help you highlight the areas you want to bring out or contour, the areas you want to slim down. Leaping Bunny certified, cruelty-free tail and paraben-free. So, looking forward to this. Okay, are you ready? Oh, wow. It has a mirror. Now, I can tell you right now, some of these shades are going to be too dark for me. But what's nice is, obviously this palette was meant for all skin tones. But these 2 shades here are probably going to be too dark. But look at those colors. And I'm not going to take, I think there's plastic on here. So I'm not going to take that off because I can tell how creamy. And I'm going to look to see, but it does show you, there's no like detailed directions, but it shows you where to put what colors. But look at how she's got that like all over up here, and then down her nose, and then there's the dark one, and then the dark one over here. So that's kind of cool. And I know there's so many YouTube videos out there that show you how to contour. So, but yeah, and it shows you all the shades there. So this one probably will not be going on my face. But yeah, I do like this palette. So I thought that this was a great box. So the retail of this box. If you count the $50, I don't know if I went to a store, even if I went to like a Macy's or a Nordstrom's, if I would ever pay $50 for a contour palette, especially if it included shades that I would never wear. But it's about $150 for this box. But what was nice is to be able to try this sunscreen and the palette. Now again, this will either go into a giveaway or I'll do something with it, not sure, but it is definitely worth the price. This I will definitely use. This, I like it, I like the concept. I just have to make sure that I don't have it like all over my face. So let me know what you thought of this. Once I get back to Arizona, I will definitely renew this box because I think for the price, you definitely get your money's worth from it. So I will leave their link below, and they do have Instagram, so if you want to check them out, you can do that as well. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.